Number 3 looks for us to simplify by multiplying the polynomials. So here I have a monomial times a binomial, so I'm just going to distribute 2 times x becomes 2x, and then I have the 2 times negative 7 becomes negative 14. There I go. Next I have the 2x. I'm going to distribute to the 2x times the x becomes 2x squared. And then I have the 2x times the 20, that becomes 40x. See, there are 3 terms inside the parentheses, so I have to distribute 3 times. 4y cubed times this gets me 8. 4 times 2 is 8. X, then the y cubed and the y2 becomes y to the 5th. Then I can distribute this, but there's a negative, so it's a negative 4 x squared, and the y's combined, y cubed and y squared becomes y to the 5th. Lastly, I have the 4y cubed times the y, that is 4 y cubed times y becomes y to the 4th. There you go. That is how I multiply by distributing.